Hi, I'm Josh, and this is Cars and Joshy.
Hey, welcome to Cars and Joshy. Real quick, I got some 4x4x8 boards and a 10-foot section of unistrut. So I'm going to be making a body cart and installing some overhead cranes to take the body off of the frame and get it ready to get the frame boxed. I got some of my 4x4s marked out, and I got a very crude diagram of what I want this body cart to look like based on where my body bolts are going to be going through. So I'm going to do my best. I'm by no means a carpenter, and 9 times out of 10 I screw something up when I'm working with carpentry stuff, but we'll give it a shot. Alright, so after notching my boards here, I went ahead and put in the cross boards, and what I plan on doing is going ahead and putting this, mounting it with 2 lag screws here, and then I want to drill out right here 1 inch past this. This is where I measured out before, and 48 inches from the center of this hole to another one on this side over here, and that's going to be where the body bolts will go up through and mount to the actual body. Just put some liquid nail down on there. So those lag screws are 6-inch lag screws, which would have been fine if I didn't notch that 1.5 inches. So they're a little bit long, they're sticking out the bottom, but that's not gonna matter because I'm gonna put these casters on there, so it's not gonna matter that it's sticking out a little bit. For those of you that are mechanics and not carpenters like me, what I used is a bit like this called a Forstner bit, and what those allow you to do is create these counter bores. You can see I'm a horrible carpenter. I had to use multiple different sizes and, you know, cut 2 different grooves out here to get it right, but this lets you counter bore this so you can slide the bolt head and everything down there, get it coming out the other side where I need it to mount up. So Forstner bit, that's what I used, and then I use these bits here to make my bore for the bolt. This is a 10mm bolt, so I used a 1/2 inch so I could have a little bit of play to line up the threads with the body mount. Alright, so there you have it. There's what I'm going to use as a body cart. Thanks for watching Cars and Joshy. Josh out.